I'm living a better life. I'm a new person. What is crack-a-lacket? What's up, you guys? What's up, you guys? So I am back. It has been a minute since I, have sat down, talked camera to person. That sounds really lonely. Anyways, I haven't sat down and done like a sit down where I'm just talking and doing something video for a while. I have a super easy summer natural glowy golden hour baddie, just kidding, but I have a super easy summer makeup tutorial. It's basically what I wear like every day, and it's super quick and easy. You only need a few things and it's super natural. I should shut up now and get to the video. So I recommend putting on a moisturizer. Let me start off by saying that I am just such a lucky human being, and right when I started recording, my neighbors decided they wanted to do yard work. And so, if you hear some good old buzzing and talking in the background, that would be my neighbors. I have this cocoa butter formula with vitamin E. Vitamin E is really good for helping out scars and helping out discoloration, which your girl has. So basically, I just take a little bit of it. You want a thicker moisturizer, one, because it helps the makeup stay on in the sun so you don't sweat it off, and two, it just kind of helps with that kind of glowy, dewy look. Don't get too of an oily moisturizer because then you look like you're sweating constantly and you're already probably sweating from the sun, so find a balance. So I just take a little bit on my hands and then I just equalize it on my fingers, and I just kind of put it on lightly because, again, you don't want to look oily. You just want some moisture on your skin. And yeah, I really recommend cocoa butter. It's like a blessing from above. Yeah. Let me just use. Okay. Now that that's all, out of my makeup bag. Next, I'm going to use a concealer, like a contour stick. I don't put foundation on my face. I like to keep my skin as clean as possible. And I feel like when I put the foundation on, it's like so heavy, and I don't know. Preferably, I like to not use foundation. So I'll take this lighter color and I'll just put it underneath my eyes and then on the bridge of my nose, because that's where the sun hits, so you want to, highlight your face as well when you contour. Okay, now you look like a boy, but, you don't look like a boy, I look like a boy, you probably don't look like a boy. Shut up, Grace. Like, nobody cares. Anyways, I'm just gonna dab this. I know. I hate myself as much as you guys do right now. Just blend this in with my fingers because I just think with a concealer it's easier and quicker to just kind of blend in with your fingertips. It makes it look more natural, and yeah, that's really all I gotta say. I'm not an expert. I just do what looks nice. So yeah, once that is all blended in, I take the other side and I just put it right here, or right here, right here. You make like a 3, and yeah, this basically helps hit the spots and make you look more tan, because that's always a plus. I just make sure that it's blended in with my hairline, because you don't want to look like you have different colors. It's just not cute. And then just blend down my jaw and my cheek area. Again, it looks super natural, but it's there and it just helps. I don't know how to explain it, but some things go
unexplained. That's just how life is. So next I'm gonna do my eyebrows. What I take is this Benefit Gimme Brow. Again, I'm not like super fancy. I'm not gonna do anything fancy. I just like to brush up my brows to make them look more natural and a little bit more bushy. But I mean, you can do your brows however you want. This is just how I like it. So yeah, I just do that till I like them. Again, super natural and easy. Just brush them up super quick. So next we're gonna get to the eyes. I normally don't put any eyeshadow on because nobody has time for that. But I will just put a little bit of the contour stick that I use, the dark brown, and put it on the outer corner of my eyelids. And then again, I'll just blend that in with my fingers. Makes it look super natural. Saves you time. It just kind of helps, you know? Doesn't make you look like a crusty nugget. You feel me? So next I'm going to put mascara on. I use the Better Than Sex by Too Faced. I like live by this mascara. I don't think I've ever gotten any other mascara once I started using this. I would recommend using the waterproof one because, you know, you're in the summer and probably going to the pool, probably going to the beach, you know. I don't have that one right now, but I will just put this on my eyelashes. So lastly, what I will do for my face is I will put on a liquid highlighter. This is the NYX Liquid Illuminator, Born to Glow, because, you know, we're trying to glow. But I will just put this on top of my cheekbones and just, again, use my handy dandy fingers. Super easy, super natural, because that's what we're going for. The other two places I like to put this, again, because it's where like the sun hits you and it just looks really nice, is I'll put it on the tip of my nose and then right on top of my Cupid's bow. And it just kind of adds like a little something, you know? A little something. We need that little something. And to finish it off, I'll put on some lip balm. I like to use Burt's Bees because, you know, yeah. And then I will take my NYX Butter Gloss. I like using a lip gloss over the summer because I really have no idea. It just looks nice and it helps with like the dewy and glossy golden hour baddie look. And I don't know, I just really like it. It looks nice. It just kind of adds a little something extra. So this is my finished look. Again, super easy, doesn't take a lot of effort. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. I don't know. Peace out. How do you fucking end a vlog? Okay, goodbye. I know you